In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notification settings in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever been overwhelmed by pop-ups or, on the flip side, missed an important message, dialing in these settings will make Outlook work the way you do. These options help you control interruptions and protect your focus while still catching critical updates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right level of alerts for your day. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the Settings gear in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a quick panel on the side. If the panel appears compact, scroll if needed until you see the General section, then select Notifications. That page is the control center for alerts, and everything we do today happens right there. You'll see three core choices. The first is Notify me when I receive a message. Turn this on if you want Outlook to alert you every time new mail arrives. It's a good fit if you manage a busy inbox or you need immediate awareness. This is the most responsive setting and can be helpful when you're awaiting time-sensitive emails like approvals or meeting updates. Depending on your browser, you may see a small banner, a badge, or hear a sound when messages come in. The second option is Notify me when I receive a message from someone in my favorites. Choose this if you want to stay focused, but still get notified when priority people reach out. Favorites are the select contacts you rely on most. Think your manager, key clients, or your close team. It's a smart middle ground when you want fewer pings but can't afford to miss messages from key people. With this option, routine mail stays quiet while important senders still break through. The third option is Turn off notifications. Pick this for deep work sessions or if you prefer to check email on a schedule. Outlook won't push alerts, but your inbox will continue updating in the background. You can always rely on badge counts or check your inbox at set times to stay on top of things without interruptions. You can change your mind anytime by coming back to this same screen. There's one more thing to confirm so notifications actually appear. Your web browser controls whether sites are allowed to send alerts. If you're enabling notifications for the first time, you'll often see a prompt asking to allow them for Outlook. Be sure to choose Allow. If you don't see any prompts and still aren't getting alerts, open your browser's site permissions for the Outlook page you're using and make sure notifications are allowed. Without that permission,